Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen on the application of Slack. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then we can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Slack. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.